everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech Burnsville, and I just wanted to talk to you today about some of the devices that we have for sale. We recently got in some iPhone SEs that are unlocked, 32 gig options and 64 gig options for $199 or $219. Like I said, they're fully unlocked. You can take them to any carrier. They'll work for whatever you need. They're good phones. We put new batteries in them, fully check them out, and they do come with a 1-year warranty. That covers if the phone itself starts acting up for any reason, we'll either fix the issue or replace it. And it also comes with 1 free screen repair. So if you break your screen anytime during that first year, you can come in and just get it fixed for free. It's a good deal. Stop in, take a look at them. We've got some over here at our Burnsville location, as well as our Helpertech Egan location. We're all open until 6 o'clock. We're also open Saturdays 10 to 3. So stop out. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.